What has been the most important legacy of de Gaulle and France's contemporary defense strategy?
De Gaulle's legacy has been long-lasting and wide-ranging in terms of normative, political, and institutional influence. Three keywords come to mind. The first is the idea of grandeur or greatness and this exceptionality of France as a country on the international stage. The second is the idea of France as an independent and strategically autonomous country. And finally, non-alignment with great powers, the US and the USSR. The first two elements, grandeur and strategic autonomy, are probably those that have been the most long-lasting, while non-alignment with the US especially has been more debated and probably amended in the past decade.
How has Brexit changed France's position on defense and on the international stage in general?
Well, with Brexit, France finds itself in a very exceptional situation, being the sole country combining EU membership, NATO membership, UN Security Council membership, nuclear deterrence, and full spectrum military capabilities and interventionist posture. So France gains centrality in this network of organizations and in European security and defense. But at the same time, France may be losing her main strategic partner in Europe, which is the UK. So much depends on Theresa May's approach to post-Brexit European cooperation.
And what does Trump's lack of commitment to NATO mean for France's involvement?
France has been reinvesting a lot in NATO in the past 10 years, be it in terms of institutional presence or participation in NATO's exercises, missions in the eastern flank, and missions in Libya, for example. So if NATO crumbles, then France's investment might be lost. But on the other hand, if NATO survives but the US withdraws and the UK with it, then France could gain a bigger share in the organization. Alternatively, if NATO is too much of a lost cause, France could reinvest in the EU and EU security and defense policy. But that would mean more budgetary and political involvement and resources.